Tēnā tātou katoa. Haere mai, and welcome to the LEARNZ River Restoration online field trip. Ko Shelley taku ingoa, your LEARNZ Kaiārahi or guide on this field trip. And here in the stunning landscape of Te Tauihu-o-te-waka, the top of the South Island, we're going to be exploring Kaitiakitanga of Te Hoiere Awa, the Marlborough River. Now this awa is very significant to Ngāti Kuia, and we're going to be following the journey of the Tipuna, Matua Hautiri and Kaitiakitanga from Motueka, Havelock, estuary, right up into the catchment here at Marlborough Bridge. And along the journey we're going to be finding out more about the history of this awa, and we're going to discover some of the unique taonga species and resources that are found in this area. You'll meet lots of different people who are all working together to restore this ecosystem all the way from the mountains to the sea. And throughout your journey you'll find ways to monitor your own awa and help restore it. And remember, you can discover more by reading or listening to the background pages, have a go at the activities, and book a web conference so you can ask an expert your questions. I really do hope you enjoy this field trip and that it inspires you to have a go at restoring an awa in your local area. We'll see you soon. Mā te wā.